Hey guys, and welcome back to Tea Colors and Assalamu alaikum. Today in my video, I am following Bob Ross tutorial. Guys, paint it gently, peacefully, so that your time is full of colors and happiness and feels. So, taking a brush and having it with black color, so I'm gonna drawing mountains. Actually, I'm using watercolor, and the Bob Ross was using oil paint, so I was using the acrylic because I might thought it maybe work better. Now, as you can see, the work is going better and better. I'm putting white shades on the clouds. As you can see, Bob Ross was using a spatula for the mountain, but I haven't them with me, so I'm using the brushes, and I might say the brushes can work better too. I hope you guys will understand. Now I'm blending the clouds. It's a kind of a cloudy effects. I'm putting the clouds just underneath or just besides those mountains. So guys, I'm using fan brush here for the trees, for the pine trees, and after that I am going with this water in using my brush and just spraying it down the way,
blending it.
yes. So I'm putting the white color on the surface of the water, so it made a little reflection of the trees. Now I'm going for the darker color, like I'm using a black color in the pine trees so that it can clearly visible. So a little bit more of the pine trees over the mountain. Now I am using the parrot green color for the bushes to make some fresh effect
And a realistic effect.
yes. Mixing the green color with blue, the yellow color with the blue to make a parrot green color and to make bushes
So fresh.
yeah, and also in the point where
Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you guys like it.
you would share it, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching the video.
Allah Hafiz.